Solid tips for getting your customers to join your email marketing list. Do you include graphics or only send text? What sort of layout is most effective? How the heck do I build an opt-in list? There are so many items to consider when you create an email marketing campaign that it can be hard to know where to start. Use the tips in this video and you'll be up and running in no time. Steer clear of renting or purchasing lists to pad your email marketing database. Not only do you not know if the emails you have purchased are truly your target market, but the list can actually hurt your deliverability rates and ultimately your reputation. As much as possible, build your list organically. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. Try many different email formats. The top of the email should always contain the most interesting and important information. You should also test out different formats and determine which format your readers respond to the most. Once you know which ones will work and which ones won't, keep doing the successful ones. This helps your customers form expectations about future emails and lets them easily find the information they're looking for. Why you want to use your email marketing to improve your sales. The only way to get potential customers to read your emails is to convince them that they have value. To do this, your email should always contain concrete, useful information and relevant links, and not just generic sales fluff. You will have found the answer to many of your questions here, so take what you've learned and implement it into a successful email marketing campaign. If you have further questions, you can continue learning by watching videos, blogs and forums. Never stop searching out knowledge. Your rewards will be worth it in the end. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.